Welcome to Whiton Hall 306. This is a third floor studio efficiency. It is fully furnished, including a full-size bed, desk and desk chair, bookcase, microwave, mini fridge, and a dresser. Whiton Hall is shared living, so there are 3 bathrooms on this floor, as well as a large kitchen for everybody to use. This apartment is equipped with a buzzer system to let your friends in. Being west facing, it receives plenty of natural light. All utilities are included in the rent, such as electricity, heat, water, trash removal, and internet. Thank you for coming for this tour of apartment 306 in Whiton Hall. For more information, please call